Man, y'all come in. There's another video from Texas Jungle. Man, these guys are crazy.
It is Christmas in Texas Jungle. Official bow season is at hand. And we're gonna put the smack down on something. But he didn't strike me, not even once. He is just gorgeous, gorgeous snake. Oh snap, here come the game wardens. Punch the bell, smash that like, subscribe, and join the tribe. I sure hope you're appreciating this. Let's get right into it. He cut the hocks right here. Okay, don't ever cut the tendon right here or anything here, or none of these bones. This is very easy to cut, and once you do this, it's a goner. So make sure you cut right there where the hocks are. It's right above the hocks. See where the smelly hocks are? And you put on both sides, and then you just start hoisting. What we're needing to do is cape this buck out. So we're gonna wanna be careful about how we take and remove the skin off of the meat. That's what you shot him with?
Yeah.
It did a fine job, dude. It sounded like you hit it with a 22.
Shooting my Diamond Iceman. Got this back in 2010 with these gold tip Velocity XTs, 340 spine.
Didn't even have a lot of blood, did it?
No.
So it was a little bit of a high shot, but then it came out quartering and came in right here behind the shoulder, which was perfect. A little bit high, or at least it seemed. And then came out right here. So I think it deflected off a rib or hit something. That deer just dropped 30 yards. Did a really good job on it.
Nice clean pass through.
Clean pass through. We got the video for y'all. There you go. Perfect. Now you've caught flesh and not hair, so you should be able to just keep going around. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect, all the way. See, once you have the hair out of the way, it cuts quite easily. And you gotta make sure you get past this membrane right here. So come back over here. Get that hair out of the way, out of the blade first. Just like when you're shaving. There you go. There you go. Like butter. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is
Cut down the sides here.
yeah, you're supposed to follow, you know, usually
Follow the white where the brown and white meet.
yep, just do a single. All the way down the middle, all the way down the middle. Make sure you got no hair in the way of the blade. And you got the full.
See, I don't have a
Right there, right there. There you go. When you start seeing the, yep. Now you can go all the way down, straight. Don't veer off. That's good enough. They can get that, they can get it cleaned up. You want to be careful not to cut the skin, but if you do, the taxidermist should be able to patch it right up. Here come the game wardens. Good morning, sir.
I don't know it.
Okay.
They're friendly. They're friendly. He might hop in the truck with you.
Yeah, he might.
How we doing?
Pretty good. How are y'all?
I'm doing a lot better.
Y'all ain't kill anything this morning?
Oh, we got the little hog too.
Dang. You got the deer, I'm assuming, because you're doing all the work, right?
Yep.
You got the hog too?
No, he got the hog.
Oh, you got the hog. Well, you couldn't let him out and do so. I mean, you had to kill something.
Actually, I walked up to my feeder. It was still dark. I walked up to my feeder. He was right under it. I popped him with my pistol. 2 yards. That's the video.
Yeah, that may mess up your deer hunt for the morning, but well, hey, whatever.
This one actually walked
No,
out.
he came out and I let him
passed
walk
it?
and he got in.
Really?
Yeah, we got it all on film. The license is gonna check
Folks,
in.
yeah, I need, yeah. You want to go check all the stuff. No, and
I'm Josh, by the way.
Dylan
Good
Wallace.
to meet you. That's AJ. Y'all know Bill and Kill, right?
Yeah, yeah, we
Good to
do.
meet you. Josh,
Good to meet
Bubba.
you. Nice to meet you. Will you take his tag off here and check all that and everything?
It's just tape. You should be able to just.
Stick the measure on there, make sure it's all good. I got to be able to check you off on something today.
At least 10 inches, right? At least 10 inches.
10 inches.
Why?
Yeah. Look, dog.
Maybe
Somebody's
Louisiana,
gonna
maybe.
Step on you.
Maybe in Florida it's 10 inches.
Yeah, it depends on where you're at.
The little key
Louisiana,
deer.
you can get away with stuff.
Oh, I'm sure.
Up in Llano County, there's not even a restriction on antlers.
Oh yeah. Well, I used to see his brother a lot whenever before that road come
You
in.
want to measure it or whatever?
Yeah, you got a measuring tape over here?
Is that red measuring tape?
Yeah, it's in my pocket here.
Oh, yeah.
He had brought a deer out on a spoiler and took it all over the truck and was sitting on the back of the truck,
How do you know my tape's good?
tagging it whenever I was showing up. I'm like, I know you went down to the very end, you know.
Just want to make sure it's 13 at
I knew
least.
it was good.
You knew it was good when you saw it?
You make sure you tag it before you.
He wanted you to see it. Just put tape on it. You know? I take it you're kind of new.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. Oh, really? Okay. Get a little trained. Game Warden stuck around for about 20 minutes just shooting the breeze as we continue to skin all the way down as far as you can down the neck, as close as you can to the head. And now you can just cut the neck off.
I don't have the time.
He looks good from the top. Look at him. Look at his beam.
That is dark orange.
Yeah, chocolate. It's a nice deer, man. For a first buck. Oh, here we go. He ain't nothing but 1.5. He ain't nothing but a yearling.
He ain't. He's either
3.5, right?
I'm gonna say he's probably 3.5.
That's what I'm
Just
thinking.
the size of antlers in a guy.
Yeah.
3-year-old.
Yeah. Good job. At least you didn't take a 2-year-old. There go the local game wardens. All you have to do is just have everything legal, show them that you respect them, and that you're not trying to break the law, and everybody's going to get along. They're just doing their job, and we're doing ours. Best thing to do to keep from spinning, look, you strap that leg, you tie it to that post like that, and it won't spin on you anymore. See, that's what good friends look like. Help them fix our fence and our new campsite. What do you think, AJ? Think it'll eat good?
Oh, yeah.
First trap of the year. 2 yards away, that hog was taken with a pistol, but the wind was in my face. Wind was in AJ's face too for this deer. We both had this deer in range for like a while, right?
Yeah, he was there for a good hour. I contemplated on it, and then I said, you know what?
Man, that's your first bow kill, man. You'd be proud of it, bro. You don't let anybody, hey, you don't let anybody rain your parade.
Oh, ain't nobody ran my parade.
He said we need to. Yeah, we
Yeah, I
do.
was like,
Oh, is that like fajitas?
That makes good fajita meat and it makes good Philly cheesesteak.
Dude, let me see that.
Seriously, that's what
it needs to be rinsed off.
Yeah, boy. See, a lot of people, they waste this stuff or they grind it, but this makes really good fajita meat. There's a lot of meat actually on this buck. He's pretty good. Even the ribs. Oh man, those are almost the size of the back straps. Look at those tendies. Oh yeah, you can get real close to the spine on this one. They always stink, but man, they're good. Tendies. You got one more? I actually like the backstrap better than tenderloins. Some people say tenderloins. So I'm not showing you how to do the whole deer. I'm just showing you guys how to do just the basics. Right now, he's just taking out some of the meat on these ribs. You know what? Just leave them on there. I'll cut these ribs for you, and then you'll have meaty pieces right here. You don't have to debone it.
Yeah, anybody use it? No, it's just melting. Yeah, but I'm sure the smell attracts them. Can't hurt. I don't know if I spend money on it. They're not licking it, but it's there. Can you imagine it? Yeah, both. Nobody last night. We had a leak. You had to sleep in the tent. Nice. We should have dropped this a little lower. How long? Did you say so? Really? How much was that? Oh, it's good. The drum you throw in the doorpost? Flat drum? Oh, it's really good. Don't make a mess enough. Yeah. Put your tenderloin next me here. Guys, get out of there. All that meat, put down. What's your neck? Yeah. Now we can cut this and give it to the dogs. Yeah, dogs are like that. Alright, get those loppers. We're gonna make easy work of this. Oh, yeah. Make it easy work right now with quartering. Come on. Go. There you go! Hey, there's lots of meat. How much meat? Give that to the dogs. Come right here. And then throw down there. Right? Wait, cut it like that. Ready? Hold on. No, not really. Just hold on. All right. You hold this one.
You couldn't do that again.
What'd I do?
It stood up.
Nice. All right, let's rinse it and bag it. Put her in the cooler, baby. We're gonna shut her up. Look at all that meat we have, about half a cooler. And now we're gonna do the hog.
So I was in this, I was sitting in a seated. Whoa! Almost took your head off. I know.
Thank you. So guys, we got nice coolers full hog. In the next video, I'll show you how to smoke these creatures whole on a smoker where we make pulled pork tacos. Delicious. So far, everything's looking pretty nice.
Can I eat that whole thing? Did you, Arena? Let's taste it. It's perfect.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't even see the hair on there. You know, you can eat the skin if you want. It turned out so moist and amazing. Remove that skin. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. No, that's perfect. That's pink from the smoke, guys. Oh, that looks so good, Corinne. Is that good?
So yum. There we go.
Look, guys. Oh, how about that pulled pork?